Hiya buddies, Jose at Wire Ninjas. We build systems and circuits of integrity. We're also Dreamedia's preferred partner in New Jersey. Today, we're in Mount Sinai, New Jersey, home base, where we're going to show you how to install a light bulb. No, just kidding, kind of kidding. So we're going to show you how to do a smart bulb, particularly the Cree Lighting Connected Max Exceptional Smart Lighting Made Simple Bulb, 60 watts. I picked this up so I could try it out, so I could show you guys how to do a smart bulb, including the bulb installation, which is a matter of screwing in the bulb, but more importantly, setting it up via the app. Let's take a look at this product. It got pretty good reviews, seen at 8.3 out of 10, so let's check it out. I'm curious. So we have our product here, and we're going to open it in traditional fashion, and we're going to talk about maybe plastics that are used in the packaging that shouldn't be used. Oh, wow, no plastics. No way. No plastics? Well, I commend you, Cree Lighting, for not using plastics in this packaging. This is wonderful. Definitely unexpected. So, the instructions are on the box, I imagine. Fast, easy setup. Download the free app, search for Cree Lighting, install the bulb, pair, and then guided setup. So, let's download the free app with my trusty iPhone 8. Let's go Cree Lighting, search for it, bang, bang. Cree Lighting, let's get the app, because we're a beast. I got to double click to install, password stuff, my personal email, just got doxed myself. So, the app is downloading, super medium speed. And once she downloads, we're going to open it up. Let's open up, bam. I think step 1 is download the app. Step 2 is install the bulb, so let's get a hot shot of me installing this bulb. So, very complicated process. You're going to take the bulb and you're going to touch it into the socket. Ooh, we got light. Let me turn this off. So, you're going to put the bulb in the socket and lightly and gently screw it into place. Light bulb's installed. Step 2 is completed. Now, let's go back to our instructionals. Step 3 is pair. So follow the on-screen steps in the app to connect your bulb. Let's see what this looks like. We have to sign up because everyone wants all your information. I don't know why. Let me do a quick sign up here so I don't dox myself again. So I put my email in. It's asking me for a verification code. That should come through in the next, I don't know. Let's see, hopefully. Oh, it came through immediately. Very cool. 154176. I'm going to punch the code in. Do you get me? Like here, yeah. 154176. Code is punched in. Set a password. I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, password is set. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just got a million notifications. I don't need notifications. Personally, it's only one bulb. Okay, that's up to you. We need to use Bluetooth to connect to the bulb. And we need to use the location because what? I'm going to allow it once because I don't like that. So now, find and connect to local devices. Of course, you need to get this on the Wi-Fi network. So now, add lighting. It says tap plus to add smart device. Let's do that. Okay, got it. Let's add a smart device. It's searching, beep, 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 beep. Auto scan, beep, 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 beep. Whoa, okay. So, it wasn't auto scanning as I thoughtfully pointed out with my live audio production there. You have to tap configuring Wi-Fi, and then you have to get on your network. My network's called Anonymous. I'm going to log in now. So you're just putting in the Wi-Fi password. Let's do that. Wi-Fi password is put in. Now it is searching. Beep, 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 beep. I think we have to power on the light bulb for it actually to probably... Like, the light bulb has to be on, I think, for it to produce any type of signal. There we go. So now, look at it, Steve. The light bulb is pulsing, as well as, look, on the app it showed up. So I'm just going to hit next, because I don't know what else to do. So we have to pick our password, our network, put in a password, giving the bulb access. Let's do that now. The bulb is still pulsing. All right, I put in my password. It's adding the device. Wi-Fi should be good because I install networks for a living. It's probably not good though, I'll be honest. That router's pretty old. Okay, scan device, something, something. Added. Okay. So all the beep beeps happened. Done. Added successfully. New device firmware we have to update because you should update because you need updates. They make things better usually. Or more functional. Or worse, or less functional. Depending on the company you're dealing with. Alright, so now we're updating. We'll let that process happen. I think the bulb has stopped pulsing. So I would imagine pulse means, you know, pairing mode. The update's pretty quick here, buddies. Like 20 seconds maybe that took, I would say, in its entirety. Let's see how long. We should probably turn automatic updates on because, I don't know. Probably going to hurt my phone battery somehow. See, the update I think downloads fast, but applying the update takes a little bit, and that's what I think we're waiting for here. Let's take a look at this packaging in the meantime. So, the bulb's flashing, which means it's probably updating. Cree lighting, it's a 60 watt, 9 watt. Oh, she's done? Cool. So, I think she's all done. Now, this is the interface. Ooh. What is going on? So we have tune and color. Oh, okay. So see the white and color? So we have a color side and a white side. Interesting. So on the white side, we can go between, I would say, probably like 6K and 3K. 3K to 6K or something like that. Can we pick color? Or you slide this over. Nice, nice. So traditional white mode is going to land you anywhere between like warm or even yellow light all the way to like lab light or blue light. That's what this looks like, the interface. Really nice, clean, working interface. You can see, let's play it. Let me play. Look at the bulb and let's see. Turn off the onboard because it's probably going to mess with the actual colors and stuff. There you go. So, oh yeah, so check it out, buddies. 6500K down to 2200K, which is candlelight. So that's candlelight right there. We can shift, we can manually shift it all the way. Dude, this bulb is awesome. I'm very happy with it. This thing is cool. You know, at the touch of your fingertips, you can shift anywhere between 2200K all the way to 6500K, which is sunlight. Very bright stuff. Let's flip to the color side. Steve-O. So color, you have your primary colors, I guess. So let's go through the primaries. Give that a gander. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is really cool. I'm actually happy. Dude, this bulb was 10 bucks. 10 bucks, we got it at Lowe's. And I can have pink light in my room because I think, yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know, for 10 bucks, I'm pleasantly, I don't know, I'm very happy with this. It's cool and it works. And then we have a dimming option here. I guess, flip this. Whoa, are things happening? Oh, so that is the dimmer. Interesting. Oh, the dimmer's right up top. You see this little bar up top, buddies? Little bar, you grab it, it expands, and it's beautiful dimming. Look at that dimming, dimming, dimming. Let's go color mode. Let's go color mode, purple. I really like dark purples and stuff, like space. To me, that's really cool. So schedules means you can put a timer on the light. Scenes mean that like you press a button and it's chill mode. So that means the light will go to a certain color, a certain temperature. This makes sense to me. And then what else do we have here? Routines. Follow the sun, dusk to dawn, light to sleep, wake. Really cool stuff. Really cool functional app. This app works. It's got everything you need. And the light bulb's 10 bucks. So I'm more than happy with this bulb, the purchase, the installation. I don't know. I'm going to play with this thing a little more because I want to, but that's how you install the Cree Lighting Smart Bulb. Get it set up. I recommend you install it, check it out, try it out, and then get into the app, make some scenes for yourself, you know, learn the little software tidbits, and then, yeah, you fill a whole house with this stuff. It'd be great. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.